Learn Hindi tech vocabulary. Interface to maintainability with.
Interface.
And.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
Welcome to the Nerd Circus. Hey, you're about to learn serious Hindi tech words in a not-so-serious way. If a server can wear a cape, so can your vocabulary. Welcome to a strange office where computers complain, databases demand respect, and one exhausted developer talks to a coffee machine like it is upper management. Your mission today is to survive this comedy of systems and learn 8 powerful Hindi words. First, the user pokes the
interface
and hopes the settings open instead of launching a weather app for penguins. Then we check
संगतता,
because one cable should not behave like a dramatic actor refusing to work with an older device. Next comes
data अखंडता,
which means the data stays correct and whole, not scrambled into digital soup. We also need
पता लगाने योग्यता,
because if a product vanishes, someone should know whether it went to the warehouse, the truck, or a snack break. Then beware of
त्रुटि प्रवणता,
the tendency to produce mistakes, especially after midnight and 3 cups of regret. Good systems use
दोष सहनशीलता,
so even if one part fails, the whole thing keeps running like a hero in an action movie. Growing apps need
मापनीयता,
because success is wonderful until a million users arrive at once. And finally, wise engineers build for
रखरखाव योग्यता,
so future humans do not cry while reading the code. Meet the cast. Let's meet your new technical vocabulary like they are characters in a sitcom. Yes, even abstract nouns deserve an entrance theme. Character 1 is
interface,
it is the bridge between you and the machine. You click the
interface,
to open the settings, and suddenly you feel like a powerful wizard with a mouse. Character 2 is
संगतता,
this means compatibility. If your software works with older devices, that is good.
संगतता,
If your charger and phone refuse to cooperate, that relationship needs counseling. Character 3 is
data अखंडता,
without.
data अखंडता,
Reports cannot be trusted. A spreadsheet without it is just colorful fiction. Character 4 is
पता लगाने योग्यता,
this is traceability. Good records allow full.
पता लगाने योग्यता,
So you can follow a product from beginning to end like a detective with a barcode scanner. Character 5 is
त्रुटि प्रवणता,
that is error proneness. Fatigue increases.
त्रुटि प्रवणता,
Which is a formal way to say your brain has gone on vacation. Character 6 is
दोष सहनशीलता,
fault tolerance keeps the system running even when one part fails. It is the friend who says, relax, I brought a backup. Character 7 is
मापनीयता,
scalability means a growing app can handle more and more users. Tiny startup today, giant platform tomorrow. Hopefully with snacks. Character 8 is
रखरखाव योग्यता,
maintainability means the system is easy to fix and update. Hi
रखरखाव योग्यता,
is a love letter to your future self. A ridiculous office story. Now you will hear all the words inside one silly story. Just relax and let the chaos teach you. On Monday morning, Ravi entered the office and saluted the coffee machine, because it was the only device with a truly intuitive
interface,
The company had just launched a new app, and everyone was praying for.
संगतता,
With old phones, new tablets, mysterious chargers, and one laptop that looked like it had survived 3 wars. In the server room, Meera whispered respectfully about
data अखंडता,
because yesterday someone changed a sales report and the numbers suddenly claimed they had sold 9,000 umbrellas on a sunny day. Meanwhile, the logistics team begged for better.
पता लगाने योग्यता,
Since a shipment of keyboards had somehow been recorded as mangoes. No one could explain why. The intern tried to fix everything, but after 6 hours and no lunch, his
त्रुटि प्रवणता,
went through the roof, and he accidentally renamed the backup folder, definitely underscore not underscore important. Luckily, the network had strong.
दोष सहनशीलता,
So when one server fainted dramatically, the others kept working. Then the app suddenly became popular, and a flood of new users tested its.
मापनीयता,
The engineers stared at the dashboards like astronauts watching a meteor shower. In the middle of all this, the senior architect calmly reminded everyone that clean documentation improves.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
Everyone nodded, mostly because they were too tired to argue. By evening, the app survived, the Mango keyboard mystery was solved, and Ravi finally admitted that the coffee machine might be the real CEO. Quick drills. Your turn. Say the Hindi word after the English cue, and try not to let your inner robot panic. Interface.
Interface.
Compatibility.
संगतता.
Data integrity.
डेटा अखंडता.
Traceability.
पता लगाने योग्यता.
Error proneness.
त्रुटि प्रवणता.
Fault tolerance.
दोष सहनशीलता.
Scalability.
मापनीयता.
Maintainability.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
Mini dialogues. Let's make the words sound alive. Listen to these mini dialogues and imagine the office drama in full color. A. What connects the user and the software? B. The
इंटरफेस.
A. Will this app work on my tablet? B. Yes, it has great.
संगतता.
A. Why is this database trusted? B. Because it has.
डेटा अखंडता.
A. How do we follow the product history? B. With.
पता लगाने योग्यता.
A. Why are there so many mistakes? B. The system has high.
त्रुटि प्रवणता.
A. Why is the app still working after that failure? B. Because of.
दोष सहनशीलता.
A. Can this platform handle 1 million users? B. Yes, it has strong.
मापनीयता.
A. Why is this software easy to update? B. Because it has high.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Here comes the sneaky part. You are going to remember these words with images so strange they refuse to leave your brain. Imagine a glowing screen with a giant button labeled
इंटरफेस.
It is the face between you and the machine. Picture two puzzle pieces snapping together under the word.
संगतता.
If they fit, they have compatibility. See a crystal shield protecting a database labeled.
डेटा अखंडता.
The data stays whole and correct. Visualize a box with a GPS tag shouting.
पता लगाने योग्यता.
You can trace its whole journey. Imagine a clumsy robot covered in typo stickers named.
त्रुटि प्रवणता.
It is not one mistake, but a tendency toward many mistakes. See one broken server light, yet the whole rack keeps humming because of.
दोष सहनशीलता.
Picture a tiny app stretching into a giant cloud platform called.
मापनीयता.
Imagine a clean machine with easy open panels and clear labels.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
Future repairs become much less dramatic. Final challenge. Last round. I will give you the meaning in context, and you try to recall the Hindi term before the answer arrives. The visible controls and menus of software.
इंटरफेस.
The ability of devices or software to work well together.
संगतता.
The quality of data staying correct, complete, and trustworthy.
डेटा अखंडता.
The ability to track a product or record through its history.
पता लगाने योग्यता.
A tendency to produce errors.
त्रुटि प्रवणता.
A system's ability to continue working even when part of it fails.
दोष सहनशीलता.
The ability of a system to grow and handle more demand.
मापनीयता.
The quality of being easy to repair, update, and manage over time.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
You did not crash. Nicely done. You made it through a full technical vocabulary mission without a system reboot. Today you learned 8 advanced Hindi technology terms.
इंटरफेस. संगतता. डेटा अखंडता. पता लगाने योग्यता. त्रुटि प्रवणता. दोष सहनशीलता. मापनीयता.
And.
रखरखाव योग्यता.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, and come back tomorrow so your Hindi gets stronger, smoother, and maybe even more fault tolerant than your Wi-Fi.